Rolling, action. Well, we all love big wheels and they really help to make the car stand out. Well, they are good as well. It's true that bigger wheels and wider tires give better acceleration and very good traction, but bigger wheels comes with problems which everyone might not be familiar with. Well, with the title of the video and the thumbnail, you might be guessing what Akshay is saying. Yes, we all love big wheels, guys, but there are some things which we need to understand. Well, this video will explain why we should use normal tires on normal cars and stop using low profile tires. Tires are one of the most important aspects of the vehicle, and putting a different set of tires will change vastly how a vehicle behaves. Many of you don't know about the fact that your tire absorbs more shocks than your suspension. If you want to upgrade your car, make the car look good and don't care about the ride quality, let's do the wide tire and suspension upgrade. But if you are expecting the same comfortable ride quality with the wider and low profile tire, don't upgrade. The thicker the sidewall of the tire will absorb more pothole shocks as compared to the thin profile of the low profile tires. Imagine you're going on a high speed and suddenly a bump appears. Rather than the jerk which should absorb by the side wall of the tire, the jerk will go on the rim, and from the rim straight to the suspension. I'm talking about hard jerks, and from the suspension it will all get to you. Will also destroy the tire and also bend the rim, and also might damage the suspension, as a wider tire and a wider rim will be expensive, and add up everything, rough ride. The normal cars which we see on the road are designed to work with the normal tires. Now let's talk about how the width of the tire affects the performance. Okay, hands up, a car with a powerful engine will obviously need a wider tire because they have so much of performance to put on the road, and the wider the tire, the quicker the acceleration will be. The grip will be high on the wider tires as there's more rubber touching the tarmac. A wider tire will help you give a quicker acceleration only if you have a powerful engine. On normal cars, you don't need that stuff. Just imagine if you put slim tires on the powerful car. Just floor on the pedal, you'll burn out all the way and destroy the tire. If you put wider tires on the normal car, and of course is not designed to work with the wider tire, it will give you slower acceleration as there'll be more rubber, will also increase the fuel consumption of the car, and also will give you a harsh ride. Imagine yourself that you're wearing a big heavy shoe. You won't be able to run faster and will be tired soon. Why put wider tires on normal cars? Let the expensive and super cars get the wider tires as they really need them. The wider and low profile tires are expensive, the rim is expensive, and maybe if there's a suspension upgrade required, that also will be expensive. Low profile tires with bigger and wider rims are not designed for comfort. Imagine the Mercedes E-Class. They don't have high profile tires, but the M5 or the E63S, they have the high performance. E63S and the M5 are expensive, but if you want the comfort, you should not choose the E63. You should straight away go at the E-Class. So everything in short words, thicker the sidewall of the tire will give you more comfort and less expenses as the tires are cheap, rims are cheap, and you will save more fuel and will be more comfortable. So let the high profile tires be on expensive and high performance cars, and let the normal tires be on normal cars. This was the video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, comment and share. For more videos, please subscribe, and till then, take care, make some noise. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind. Woo!